Hi, I'm Velis, and if you have a minute, I'll tell you my story. My birth was a bit of a surprise. It was an important meeting. The concepts developed were smart comfort, Italian design, compactness, energy efficiency, quality. This is how I was born. Everything else flashed by. My first day of school. A water heater school, of course. I studied for years. I committed myself to all the subjects. I passed many exams. It was not an easy school, but I did my best to excel. In sports too, horizontal and vertical. I was also appreciated for my design, especially by the girls. In the end, I graduated with honors. I am the best. And now, here I am with you to comfort you.